What's up guys, and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to create Support-A-Creator in Fortnite and on Epic Games too. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. First, what you need to do guys, just open this site. I leave you this website in description of video. When you open this site you will see Support-A-Creator. Also you can guys see here apply, create and share, receive payout awards. Scroll down below and you will see here eligible. Click this, and if you see guys, this program is only eligible if you hit these requirements. What is Epic Games Support-A-Creator program? Click this and you will see here all what you need. Go here and see who is eligible to participate. Click this and you see here, are you legal adult? If you have 1K followers on social platforms like YouTube, Twitch, Twitter or VK. I show you now how to apply. Okay guys, when you read all this and you know all about Support-A-Creator, I now show you how to sign up. You see in the right corner sign in. Click this and you need to sign in your Epic Games account. If you don't have Epic Games account, just go on Google. In next tutorial I show you how to create Epic Games account and how to download on Windows PC. Okay guys, when you log in on Support-A-Creator on Epic Games, you will see here apply now. Click this. Verify your email address, enable 2FA. When you click enable 2FA, you will be redirected on Epic Games and scroll down below and you will see two-factor authentication. Click setup, go continue. Just scan your code with your phone with Authenticator app. You can find this app on your Google Play Store, just type like this. Just scan your code with your phone and you will get your code on your phone and type this code here and go activate app. When you do this, go here done and you have enabled 2FA. Now go to Epic Games Support-A-Creator and click apply now. When you click apply now, you will see welcome to Epic Games Support-A-Creator. Just click here start registration. Check here that you sign it for yourself and go to submit. Read these terms, check this and go submit. On step 4 you will see eligibility verification. Now guys, you need YouTube channel with 1K subs or Twitch channel with 1K followers. Facebook and Instagram don't work right now. You have Twitter 1K or VK 1K. When you do this, you have tax and payouts. Just type your name, your living address, type this little formula in tax and payouts and you will be done. When you do this, you will see the message, the banner confirm that no future actors required at this time. And you will be verified Support-A-Creator in Epic Games. When you all finish that, go to dashboard and you will get your Support-A-Creator. You can also change it if you want. Just go in epicgames.com and change it in your settings. When you get this, people can use your code in Fortnite or Epic Games application in Pure Cash. Also, you will get some rewards when people use your sats and you can also get some money in Fortnite. When people spend 10k V-Bucks on your Support-A-Creator, you will get $5. And that's it guys for this video. If you have some question, ask me in comments and use my Support-A-Creator in Fortnite chapter 5. Share with your friend if this guide helps you. I see you in next video. Bye guys.